Instrument clusters are the Christmas tree of your truck. All the blinking lights, the moving gauges, fun stuff. You got a lot of different options in Christmas trees these days. This right here you're looking at is basically your basic model. Some are even more basic than this. This at least though has temperature and oil in it. Very important you have your gauge and not a light. Pretty basic though, I said. You got nothing in this hole right here. You got nothing in this hole right here. But you can go with a 5,000 RPM gauge. You can go with an 8,000 RPM gauge if you got a motor that really pops it out of there. Here you can see we've got a vacuum gauge. That was really popular back in the day. Or how about a nice clock in there? I know you always got phones, but this is just a nice classic look right here. And you can configure not only your gauges any way you want, but you can configure your gauge cluster face any way you want. Here you'll notice you just have lights and wiper motor. Here you've got your wipers and your lights combined, and you've got a choke right here. A lot of trucks don't have chokes anymore, but you could use this as a kill switch or something. So you can call us up, you can get any kind of configuration you like. Leave a hole empty, fill it up with whatever you want, no big deal. Anything you want we can do. We got an infinite choice of Christmas trees. When you're going to be ordering your Christmas tree though, make sure that you order up this little kit right here with the screws and the speed clips, or U-bolts some people call them. The originals are generally get old, corroded, fall down. You lose them when you paint the truck. Your old screws are tired. Make sure you get something like this. Another fun thing to do is get the LED lights. These are a little fun thing. It gives you a nice modern bright white light. These have 10 different filaments on it. See every one of those little yellow blocks? Every one of those emits light, and it just shines everywhere throughout the gauge and pops it like you wouldn't believe it. So, you need a new Christmas tree for your truck, you make sure you check us out. Also, check us out on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube, because you know what's going to happen next week. I'm going to come out here and I'm going to show you something else to put on your truck you're really going to want. And if you didn't subscribe, you're going to miss it, man. You're going to feel bad.